guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this is a different scene that I tried to tackle this time. I wanted to try, as I said, something completely different compared to the countryside kind of scenes that I was doing at the start of the morning, and this is Paris. So that's apparently the Eiffel Tower, and then that's like a kind of cafe, and this is a street scene, so these are the houses, and then this is the road, and this is a couple having tea, coffee, whatever, outside the cafe. So the first one I didn't capture the couple because I just wanted to get the layout of the actual buildings and the overall scene, and then I knew that I was going to try and then capture the next one. So this next one, it was more about the couple than the rest of the actual scene. Then I tried to combine it all, the scene as well as the couple. And considering this is still a new topic and a quick way to draw people, I didn't do too badly. Yes, I need a massive amount of improvement, but I know I can get there, and I feel like a broken record because that's all I've said in the past couple of days. I know I can get there, and I know this because of the previous sketches. That was like from a month ago to last week. So check the rest of the channel out, and if you are using these learning methods, please let me know. It's geometric, observational, gestural, but over the main thing is the good speed, so keeping to a specific time, and then that creates the feedback loop, which is where you get your information. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I shall get back to you. Bye guys!